Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set Pomodoro focus settings on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Log in by the use of Touch ID or passcode. Tap on the fourth option down below and click on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should tap on Daily Focus Goals, which is the first option. You should select how many promos do you plan to get each day, ranging from 1 to 20. You can also select the focus duration. How long do you plan to focus each day? Go back and you can select this flip start function as well, meaning that turn the phone screen down to start focusing. You can also turn on the strict mode, meaning that if it's enabled, switching to other apps or return to the home will end the current focus and the record won't be saved. You can also sync to Apple Health, meaning that if it's enabled, your focus time will be synced to Apple Health Mindfulness. Click on Turn All Categories On and tap on Allow in the upper right corner of the screen. If you are done selecting all these focus settings and information, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen in order to update this feature of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.